wanted to show you how easy and how amazing the lawn edger really is at trimming anything in terms of grass. So this is literally, you had to drive 2 hours, as you can see. This is a fresh roll of sod. All right, so whether, and again, this is how sharp the blade is. We already have the video on how easy it is to collapse and expand to whatever comfortable height you are, but all you do is you push in and then you start going, and then you just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and literally there is your trim. This thing works unbelievably. This shows you how clean and how easy it is to use. So, you know, if you're feeling like, oh, it seems a little too lightweight, and oh, when I push down, it doesn't seem like it's super sturdy. It's all done on purpose to allow the most flex to get the cleanest cut. There's absolutely, this is one of my favorite items, and we're 100% confident in its use. I've used it at my house. We're now showing you live how clean it is. So that's a straight line, and you want to just do a curve too, so to replicate an edge. Okay, so if you replicate an edge, again, push to get started. And again, part of the reason why it is flexible on the bottom, it allows you to give the curve and to turn with the lines and whatever you want. So again, same thing. Takes 2 seconds. This is fresh sod. This is really thick sod. There's no way in anyone's lawn they're gonna have this amount of rich soil underneath anyways, so this thing cuts unbelievably.